So the last question in the test said, the GPS coordinates of London are this and this. What is the shortest distance from London to the equator? Imagine a line drawn from the North Pole to the equator through London. How long is the bit of the line from London to the equator? Okay, it's not a hugely difficult, although very few people did it. So stage exam 00, question 18. All right, so imagine the following. Here's the North Pole, here's the equator, and somewhere up there is London, okay? And it has the coordinates 51.5072 degrees north and 0.1275 degrees west. So what that means is, this is latitude. This is the definition of latitude. That angle is that number. That angle north, because we're going north of the equator, is 51.5072. So what they want us to calculate is this distance here, the distance from London to the equator. Well, we know from the definition of the meter, that from the North Pole to the equator is 10,000 meters. Okay, and that corresponds to 90 degrees, isn't it? It's 90 degrees from the North Pole to the equator. So if I write down 90 degrees corresponds to a length of 10 million meters. Okay, so what we want to know is, what does 51.5072 correspond to? All right, well, the way that I'm going to do this, I'm going to work out for 1 degree, and then I'm going to multiply it by 51 degrees. So 1 degree gives me 10 million over 90. So 51.5072 degrees must give me 51.5072 over 90 multiplied by 10 million. And when you do that, I think you get something like 5,700 kilometers. Let's do it. 51.5072 divided by 90 equals, multiplied by 10 million equals. Yep, so that equals 5,723 kilometers, correct to 4 significant figures.